trying to be clean mouth because we have a young Danielle. Blueberry, you're silly. Carly, welcome in. How are you? Me like this. We are on a boat ride. Nope, still didn't get it, Danielle. Last one I see from you is, okay, let me try this one more time. The water is very blue. I can't talk. Pardon me. When I get there, when I get there, we can.
We can.
Her message is getting shadow banned, so she's sending it one word at a time. We can make
cookies.
A video. Yes, Danielle, for flag folding.
Oh, I thought we were making cookies.
I'll have her bring you cookies. On the flags. Black dress woman, welcome in. How are you doing today?
Got another idiot coming up digging. Get back over here, so make sure he stays on the left. Get better videos of him over here. Set the time lapse if you hadn't checked it. He's way back. He's coming. Time lapse ready, reset?
She said, and cookies for Hubs.
Time lapse reset.
I know you said that.